This tutorial is about student names. When you first look at a path, and the one I'm showing you is from the 4-speaker sequence, you'll see that speakers are listed at the top. What we want to do is to replace those words with student names. Go up to Edit, Find, Replace. It's going to come up on the side, and we can type in that we want to replace speaker 1 with Charlie. Replace all, so that it replaces all of them in the subsequent paths. Then we can change speaker 2 to be Mark. Replace all. Speaker 3 to be Joseph. And speaker 4, or however many speakers are in your group, to be Elliot. Now the paths look personal and they're ready to go.